welcome to the second part of pivot table. We already discussed about how to create simple pivot tables in the first video. Okay, so here we'll discuss about how to change the calculations and how to design the pivot tables. Okay, so here you can see I'm showing product wise total revenue, correct? So now what I want is I want to see the average revenue for each product. So what we can do is just right click on the column, then go to summarize value by, then click on average. You'll get the averages. Okay, so for product average sales is 19,403. Okay, so otherwise what you can do is here you can go under values and click on value field settings, and here you can change the calculation. Let us say I want to see maximum revenue for each product, then I can take this. Okay, so if I want minimum, either I can do by this way or that way. Okay, so now I'll do minimum. Now I want sum, then go to summarize value by and take this sum. Understood? Okay, so now I want to see the each channel wise. Okay, each channel wise total revenue. So what I can do is, so I will go to channel and I'll just drag it to this product. Okay, so here it is going to show you the for each product and what is the total revenue, that to each channel wise. Okay, so channel wise total revenue. Now I want to change the designs now. Okay, so for example, this is the subtotal for this particular group and I don't want to see that subtotal. So what we can do is we can go to subtotals. Before that you just have to go under design tab. Okay, and sometimes you may not see this analyze and design. When it is, whenever you click outside of the pivot table, see that pivot table field pane also went on. Okay, so then if you want that back, then again you just click on the pivot table. Okay, so again it will be available. Then analyze and design, both tabs are appearing. Okay, so what I do is I'll go to subtotals and then do not show subtotals. Here you can see, here it will not show the subtotal. Suppose if you want it at the bottom, what you can do, subtotals and show all subtotals at the bottom of the group. Just click on this, it will show at the bottom. If you want at the top, again go to subtotals and you can click on top of the group. Okay, so this is how you can do. And after each group you have a blank row. You can see here, suppose if you don't want this blank row, what you can do, go to blank rows and remove blank rows. Understood? So if you want, again just go to insert blank line. Okay, and next we are going for report layout. Okay, so this is by default, it's a compact form. So here it is compact form, and if you want to change it to outline form, you can see different layouts, and show in tabular form. Okay, so this is more frequently used type of layout. Okay, and if you want to repeat this product one, then you can go for repeat all. If you don't want, again go to report layout and then do not repeat the item. Understood? Okay, and now so I'll just change the pivot table design. So I want to see the channel column wise, so I'll drag it to columns. Then you have this products as well as channel wise total revenue. Okay, so here you can see grand total. The grand total is showing for channel wise. Okay, for this from this distributor you are getting total grand total this much, for export this much, and for wholesale this much. Now I want to see for product also. Okay, what is the grand total for product one? Okay, so for that what you can do is go under grand total and on for rows only. If you do want for rows only, so it will show product wise. Okay, so it is went off. Okay, if you want that also, then again go to grand total and on for rows and columns. Okay, if you want it for only columns, again go to grand total and on for columns only. Okay, so however you want, you can just modify it. Okay, so I want it for both then on for rows and columns. If you don't want for both, then go to grand total or for rows and columns. Okay, and you have so I'll just again take this channel under this rows, and you have pivot table style options. Okay, so you have row headers. I'll just uncheck it. So what's happening? Your row headers are okay, so now it is bold. Okay, so if you want to unbold it, you can do this. Okay, and column headers, so it will also change the style of column headers, you can see here. And banded rows, if you want banded rows, you can activate, otherwise not. And if you want banded columns also, just activate like this. Okay, so I just don't want this. And if you want to change the entire format, okay, then go to this and you can select any color. Okay, see, so for example, I want this, you can see the different colors. Okay, this is how you can change the pivot table styles. So I hope you understood about all this concept, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.